To fix Google Chrome not opening on Android, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Google Chrome not opening on Android. So if you are not being able to open the Google Chrome on Android, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that your Wi-Fi may not be working smoothly as before. So if your Wi-Fi is not working smoothly as before, simply turn on the mobile data and see if your Google Chrome is opening again or not. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by opening the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to fix the network error or issue which you are getting on the app. Simply turn off the airplane mode after a few seconds and simply open Wi-Fi or mobile data and see if your Google Chrome is working again or not. So if your Google Chrome is working smoothly, then that's good. And if it is not working smoothly, then you just need to go to settings on the device and you just need to click on the option of storage and see the Google Chrome app. And after opening the Google Chrome app, simply click on the option of clear cache at the very bottom and you will be able to clear the cache and also fix the errors which you are getting on the Google Chrome. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart your device for once and you'll be able to fix the problem of Google Chrome not opening on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.